As the race for governor heats up, Democratic nominee Josh Green laying out a plan he says will reduce homelessness across Hawaii by more than 50% over the next 4 years if he's elected. KITV4's Shanila Kabir explains how the plan would work, whether homeless advocates think it's enough, and how Green's opponent, Duke Aiona, is responding.
More than 10,000 people are chronically homeless in Hawaii, and Lieutenant Governor Josh Green says rehousing them can reduce the cost of Medicaid by $60,000 per person. The Democratic Party candidate's plan includes significantly increasing outreach and access to addiction and mental health care. According to the report, less than 4% of patients use 61% of the $3 billion state Medicaid budget. Green's team hopes to provide free basic health care to the homeless to prevent major medical issues that could eventually swamp hospital beds.
The Kauhale model is a good way to address your chronically homeless population because it provides that important component of building community. And the community part includes medical care, such as employment training or support.
Republican Duke Aiona said he was in disbelief at Green's findings. He said homelessness is too difficult of an issue to put a number on. By saying you want to cut it in half, he believes is pandering to the voters. Green wants to create more tiny home villages across the islands, as well as ohana zones. He said providing permanent housing can decrease state costs by more than 70%.
People who are homeless right now are in such a desperate state, usually with mental illness, either schizophrenia, bipolar disease, or addiction, or post-traumatic stress disorder. No amount of financial support is going to get them suddenly into a house that they can afford that's $600,000, $700,000, $800,000. So that's why you have to build Kauhale, have these safe zones.
Green's opponent Duke Aiona also agrees housing is a top issue. In his report, Aiona says he plans to focus on ways to keep homes affordable instead of developing more housing. Shanila Kabir, KITV4 Island News.